Priela, hiyo ni nini? Yeah. Inaitwa aje? Yeah. Inaitwa sheep. Ati inaitwa? Sheep. So twendeni. Please, you know it's a sheep. Angalia vile imenona hapa nyuma. Let's go. Let's go. Nini?
Fika kwa nyumba.
Juu hii iko na? Let's go.
Can you see?
Let's go. Twende mami, twende. 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 Taking an evening walk with my little one. Let's go. My baby boy knows a difference between a sheep and a goat, even the little one. But their big sister was confusing them. But the good thing is that they know. Yes, let's go. The jua here is... Let's go, baby. Wow, I'm sorry. Let's walk here. Come, baby. Come, please. Prince, Bella, let's go. Let's go, babies. Okay. Look how after Evelyn here in Machakos, the maize are growing. They are very green. The grass is green. It is let's fight this here because this place is dry, totally dry. So let's go, babies. We are headed to the river. The river is down here. I don't know whether it has water or it's drying up, because it was drying up.
Because the rain was
But after 2 days of heavy rains, I guess it has some water. Wow, look at the birds, the white birds over there. I don't think whether you can spot them.
Yes, I cannot spot
This place is beautiful.
I can spot them.
The place is beautiful. Let's take a close look at them.